So we could see tax.
See tax cuts in the future, but right now we do need to